Tucked away in the remote high desert of Utah, the Periphery House is a two-bedroom sanctuary that redefines the idea of living with nature. Situated just along the boundary of the 1.8 million acre grand Staircase-Escalante National Monument, the house exists at the intersection of wilderness and architecture. With an elevation of 6,300 feet, it hovers gently above the slick rock and wetlands, offering sweeping views and a deep sense of solitude. The project, designed by Locus Studio, is not just a home. It's a lens for observing light, shadow, silence, and time. The positioning of the house is highly intentional. Rather than dominating the landscape, it recedes into it, perched lightly among ancient juniper and pinyon trees. A cantilevered concrete deck extends out over the terrain, minimizing physical impact while maximizing visual connection. The structure draws strength from its geological foundation and delicately preserves the native ecology. In every move, the design expresses a respect for land, climate, and natural rhythms. Inside, the house is composed to dissolve the boundary between the built environment and the raw desert outside. Generous glass openings pair with operable steel panels, allowing the ever-changing light and weather to animate the interiors. Axial views and framed perspectives guide one's experience through the space, making each movement through the house feel intentional and cinematic. This careful choreography of light and form gives the home a spiritual stillness, an atmosphere that invites reflection. Behind the poetry of the design lies a rigorous integration of architecture and engineering. The home is the product of a 4-year journey by Locus Studio, a craft-focused design/build practice led by architect and cinematographer Anson Fogel. Drawing on his background in lighting and structural design, Fogel has crafted a building where emotion and performance are intertwined. Passive solar strategies, thermal massing, and precise mechanical systems all work silently to support the comfort of its occupants without distracting from the overall spatial experience. The interior palette is disciplined and honest, dominated by oak, concrete, and blackened steel. These materials are left raw and expressive, revealing their natural textures and temperaments. Frameless clearstory windows and flush oak casework contribute to a minimalist clarity, while custom furnishings built on-site underscore the studio's hands-on ethos. The design avoids ornamentation, instead letting light, proportion, and material take center stage. A single exception punctuates this restrained environment: the steam room, clad in warm African mahogany. This space offers a sensory retreat, cocooned in contrast to the rest of the home's openness. Meanwhile, outdoor amenities such as a wood-fired hot tub, a natural swimming pond fed by a perennial creek, and a discreet steel-framed workshop extend the living space into the landscape. Every feature is tied back to the idea of coexistence with nature rather than control over it. Importantly, the Periphery House is not a product of outsourced construction. Fogel and his collaborators chose to self-perform most of the building work, partnering with trusted craftspeople from framing to finished carpentry. This choice allowed them to preserve design integrity down to the smallest detail, ensuring a seamless transition from vision to execution. The result is a home that feels deeply personal, a handmade environment that resonates with care and presence. With the Periphery House, Locus Studio presents more than just a well-crafted building. They offer a meditation on living lightly, attentively, and meaningfully. This home doesn't shout. It listens. It doesn't impose. It responds. And through its quiet, powerful architecture, it encourages us to consider how the spaces we inhabit can deepen our relationship to place, to nature, and to ourselves.